Hello, friends. Welcome to English in Minutes.
We are so happy you are here with us today. We help you learn easy, useful English.
I am Emily.
And I am Jack.
Today, we talk about favorite food.
Yes, we talk about the food we love.
This is very good for daily life. You can use it in restaurants, with friends, everywhere.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
It helps us make more lessons for you. Let us begin.
I am hungry now talking about food.
Me too. We can eat after this.
Good idea. So, what is your number one favorite food?
That is easy. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza? What kind of pizza?
I love simple pizza. Lots of cheese and some mushrooms.
Only cheese and mushrooms? Is that not boring?
No, it is perfect. It is a classic. What is your favorite food?
My favorite is sushi. I can eat it every day.
Sushi? That is fish you do not cook, right?
Yes, often it is raw fish, but not always. My favorite is salmon.
I tried sushi one time. It was different.
Did you like it?
The fish was okay, but the seaweed was strange.
I love the seaweed. Tell me about your first pizza.
When I was a kid, my family got pizza every Friday.
That sounds nice.
It was. We watched movies. It was the best day.
I first ate sushi in university. A friend took me.
Did you like it right away?
No. First, I was scared, but I tried again. Then I loved it.
I see. Some food is better the second time.
Yes, so if a person wants to try pizza, what is good?
Start with margarita pizza. Tomato, cheese, basil. It is simple and good.
And for sushi beginners?
What should they eat first?
Start with a California roll. It has cucumber, avocado, and crab. No raw fish. It is safe and tasty.
Good idea. Food is not only for eating.
What do you mean?
Food is about memories. Pizza makes me think of my family. Sushi makes you think of your friend.
That is true. Food connects us to people.
Thinking about pizza makes me think of other foods too.
Like what?
Like comfort food. Food that makes you feel good.
Oh, yes. Is pizza comfort food for you?
Yes, it makes me feel happy and safe. Is sushi comfort food for you?
It is my happy food. It makes me feel calm.
Comfort food is often from childhood. Did you have comfort food as a child?
Yes, my mother made a simple soup, chicken and noodles. When I was sick, she made it.
That is a classic comfort food. My grandmother made mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes are soft and warm, very comforting.
Exactly. Do you cook your favorite foods?
I try to make sushi. It is difficult. The rice is hard to make right.
Sushi for sushi must be sticky, and you need special vinegar.
Yes, mine is never perfect, but it is fun to try.
I make pizza at home. It is easier. You can buy dough.
Dough? What is that?
Dough is the bread part before you cook it. You mix flour and water. Then you add sauce and cheese. Then you cook it.
I see. What do you put on your pizza?
I put cheese and mushrooms. Sometimes I put fresh tomatoes or olives.
Those are called toppings, things you put on top of the pizza.
Yes, toppings. My brother puts pepperoni on his pizza. That's a spicy sausage.
I like pepperoni too, but my favorite topping is pineapple.
Pineapple on pizza? That is a big debate.
Yes, some people love it, some people hate it. I love the sweet fruit with the salty cheese.
Okay, I will try it one day. Maybe.
Good. Be brave with food. Now, what about breakfast? What is your favorite breakfast?
I love pancakes with sweet syrup and fruit like strawberries or blueberries.
Pancakes are delicious. I like eggs and toast for breakfast, and coffee.
Coffee. I drink coffee every morning too.
Me too. It helps me wake up. Do you put milk or sugar in your coffee?
I take my coffee black. No milk, no sugar.
I like a little milk. It makes the coffee smooth. What about lunch?
For lunch, I like a big sandwich with meat and vegetables and mayonnaise.
I often eat a salad for lunch with chicken and many vegetables.
You eat very healthy food.
Sometimes, but I love pizza, so not always.
True. What about sweet food, dessert?
I love chocolate. Dark chocolate is my favorite.
I love cake. Chocolate cake with ice cream.
Ice cream is good with warm cake. The hot and cold is nice.
Yes, I love that feeling. Do you like other desserts?
I like fruit for dessert. A bowl of sweet strawberries.
That is healthy too. You are good at healthy choices.
Do you travel to eat food?
Yes, when I visit a new place, I try the local food.
Me too. Once I ate fried insects in another country.
Really? How was it?
It was crunchy and salty. Not bad, but strange at first.
That is brave. I want to try new food more.
Start with something easy, like a new fruit or a new cheese.
Good idea. Sometimes I am scared to try.
It is okay. If you do not like it, you do not eat it again.
True. How do you describe food you like?
I say it is delicious, tasty, or good.
I say it is sweet, salty, or spicy.
What about food you do not like?
I say it is too salty or too sweet or bland.
Bland means no flavor.
Yes, like plain rice without salt.
So if food is bland, you can add salt or sauce.
Yes, or you can add herbs. Herbs are plants like basil or parsley. They add flavor.
Good tip. Do you have a favorite drink with food? With sushi, I drink green tea. With cake, I drink milk.
With pizza, I drink cola. The bubbles are fun.
Bubbles are good. Some people drink wine with food.
Yes, but that is for adults. We can talk about juice or water too.
Water is the best drink for your body. I drink a lot of water.
Me too. It is important. Let's talk about a perfect meal. For me, a perfect meal is garlic bread, then pizza, then chocolate. Garlic bread is so good. It is bread with garlic and butter.
Yes. For me, it is a small salad, then sushi, then cake.
Very different, but both good.
Yes. Food is different for everyone. That is okay.
Let's talk about snacks. Do you like snacks?
Oh yes, I love snacks. My favorite snack is chips, potato chips.
I like nuts for a snack, or an apple.
You really like healthy food.
Not always. Sometimes I eat chips too, but I try to eat healthy snacks.
What is a healthy snack you like?
Carrots with hummus. Hummus is a dip made from chickpeas.
I know hummus. It is good. I like yogurt for a snack.
Yogurt is good. It has protein. Protein gives you energy.
Let's talk about cooking. Do you watch cooking shows?
Sometimes. They are fun to watch. The chefs cook very fast.
I like to watch them. I learn new ideas, but I cannot cook that fast.
No, me neither. Cooking at home is slower. That is okay.
What is an easy dish to cook for beginners?
Scrambled eggs. You need eggs, butter, and a pan. It is fast and easy.
Good. Another easy dish is pasta. You boil water, cook the pasta, and add sauce.
Yes, you can buy pasta sauce in a jar. It is simple.
Do you like to cook with other people?
Yes, it is fun. My friend and I cook dinner sometimes.
That is a good way to practice English too. You can talk about the food.
Yes, you can say, "Can you pass the salt?" or "Is the water boiling?"
Very useful sentences. Let's practice more sentences.
Okay, how about, "This tastes good"?
Or, can I have more, please?
"This is too spicy for me."
What is in this dish?
Perfect. These are all good for restaurants or at a friend's house.
Yes, it is good to be polite. Always say please and thank you.
Of course, manners are important everywhere.
Let's talk about food from different countries.
Okay, what is a food from Mexico you like?
I like tacos. Tacos are a tortilla with meat, lettuce, and cheese.
Tacos are delicious. I like guacamole too. That is made from avocados.
Yes. What about food from Italy?
We already talked about pizza, also pasta. Spaghetti is a type of pasta.
I love spaghetti with meatballs. It is a classic.
Me too. What about food from India?
I like chicken curry. Curry is a dish with sauce and spices.
Curry can be spicy, but it is full of flavor.
Yes, I drink milk with curry. Milk helps with the spice.
Good idea. Food from Thailand is also spicy.
Yes, like pad thai. That is noodles with peanuts and vegetables.
I want to try that. There are so many foods to try.
Yes, you can try one new food every month.
That is a good plan. Start with food from a country you like.
Let's talk about food shopping. Where do you buy food?
I go to the supermarket. They have everything.
Me too. Sometimes I go to a farmer's market.
What is a farmer's market?
It is a market outside. Local farmers sell their food there. Fresh vegetables, fruits, eggs.
That sounds nice. The food is very fresh.
Yes, and you can talk to the farmers. You can practice English.
Yes, you can say, how much are these tomatoes?
Exactly. Or, are these apples sweet?
Good practice. Do you use a list when you shop?
Yes, I make a list so I do not forget things.
I use my phone for my list. It is easy.
Me too. What is always on your shopping list?
Milk, bread, eggs, fruit, basic things.
Same for me, and coffee, of course.
Of course. Let's talk about food and health.
Okay, it is important to eat healthy food.
Yes, fruits and vegetables are very good for you.
Protein is important too. Protein is in meat, fish, eggs, beans.
And we need carbohydrates for energy, like rice, bread, pasta.
But too much sugar is not good. Sugar is in candy, cake, soda.
Yes, we can eat sugar sometimes, but not every day.
Balance is important. Eat healthy food most of the time, and sometimes eat cake or pizza for fun.
Exactly. All food is okay in moderation. Moderation means not too much.
Right. Do you exercise too?
Yes, I walk every day and sometimes I go to the gym.
Good. Exercise and good food make you feel strong.
Yes, when I eat well, I have more energy. Let's talk about food at parties.
Good topic. What food do you like at a party?
I like small food you can eat with your hands. We call that finger food.
Like what?
Like small sandwiches or chicken wings or vegetables with dip.
I love party food. I like chips and salsa. Salsa is a spicy tomato dip.
Yes, and at a birthday party, there is always cake.
Of course, cake is the best part of a birthday.
Do you have food traditions for holidays?
Yes, for Thanksgiving, we eat turkey. It is a big bird.
We eat special sweets for Christmas, cookies and pies.
Food is a big part of holidays everywhere.
Yes, it brings families together. What about fast food? Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes it is fast and easy, but not very healthy.
What is your favorite fast food?
I like hamburgers and French fries.
Me too. A cheeseburger is my favorite.
But we should not eat it every day.
No, once a month is okay for me.
Me too. Balance, remember?
Yes, balance. Let's talk about food that is good for your skin.
My skin? Really?
Yes, some food makes your skin look good, like avocados.
Avocados are good for skin? I did not know that.
Yes, and berries. Berries are small fruits like strawberries and blueberries.
I like both of those, and they taste good too.
Yes, and drink a lot of water. Water is good for your skin.
I will remember that.
What about food that gives you energy before exercise?
A banana is good before exercise. It gives you quick energy.
Good. I eat a banana before I go to the gym.
And after exercise, eat protein, like an egg or some yogurt.
That helps your muscles.
Yes, so food is fuel for your body.
Fuel means energy, like gas for a car.
Right. Good food is good fuel. Do you ever order food to your home?
Yes, sometimes. It is called delivery.
Yes, you use an app on your phone. You choose the food, they bring it to your door.
It is very convenient. Convenient means easy and helpful.
But it is more expensive than cooking at home.
True, so I do it only sometimes.
Me too. Maybe once every 2 weeks.
Let's talk about food you can eat when you are in a hurry.
A smoothie is good. You put fruit and yogurt in a blender.
A blender is a machine that mixes things very fast.
Yes, you drink it. It is fast and healthy.
Good idea. I make a smoothie for breakfast sometimes.
Me too. My favorite smoothie is banana and strawberry.
Sounds delicious.
Do you read about food?
Read about it?
Yes, like recipes. Recipes tell you how to cook something.
Oh, yes, I look at recipes online. I find new things to cook.
Me too. Sometimes the recipes are too difficult.
Yes, I look for easy recipes. Recipes with only 5 ingredients.
Good idea. Start simple.
Let's talk about food storage. How do you keep food fresh?
We put food in the refrigerator. The refrigerator keeps food cold.
Yes, milk, cheese, vegetables go in the refrigerator.
And some food goes in the cupboard, like pasta, rice, cans of beans.
The cupboard is for dry food.
Yes, and bread can go on the counter.
But bread gets old fast. We call that stale bread.
Stale bread is not soft, it is hard.
Right, so eat bread fast.
What do you do with old food?
We should not waste food. Try to eat all the food you buy.
Yes, if vegetables are old, you can make soup.
Good idea. Soup is easy to make with old vegetables.
And old bread can become toast.
Or bread crumbs. Bread crumbs are small pieces of dry bread.
Yes, use them for cooking. Do you grow any food?
Grow? Like a garden?
Yes, a small garden.
I grow herbs, like basil and mint, on my balcony.
That is nice. Fresh herbs taste very good.
Yes, and it is cheap. You just need a small pot and some soil.
Soil is dirt for plants.
Yes, maybe I will try growing tomatoes next year.
Good luck.
We talked about a lot of things today.
Yes, favorite food, comfort food, cooking, shopping, health, parties, fast food, skin, exercise, delivery, smoothies, recipes, storage, gardens.
So remember our main point. Ask people about their food.
It is a very easy and good question in English.
You can learn many new words.
And you can learn about new cultures.
Food is a way to make friends.
Exactly. So practice this week. Ask one person.
You can ask your teacher, what is your favorite food?
Or ask a classmate, do you like to cook?
Or ask a coworker, what did you eat for lunch?
These are all simple questions. They start a conversation.
Do not be afraid to make a mistake. It is okay.
People are usually happy to talk about food.
Thank you for listening to this longer talk.
We hope it was useful for you.
Don't forget to like this video if it helped you.
Subscribe to English in Minutes for more real conversations.
Share this with someone who needs a little English inspiration.
Keep learning English with us. Practice every day.
Have a beautiful day, friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.